Okay, welcome back, guys. I found something on Google that I'm going to try on the tablet, which is APK installer for version 4.4.4. So I have shortened the link using our link shortener. We're using actually Bitly if you're interested uh, in having your own link shortener. So yeah, you can check Bitly. So this is our custom link, which will take us to the uh, APK installer for this Android version. So the capital C, yeah, and T. Anyway, yes, go. As you can see, the page just got loaded, and this is it. And oh, so there is ES downloader and browser. Okay, so this is after the upgrade. They just installed ES downloader. I believe this is a fast downloader, but I'm going to use the browser for now. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's there. Okay, awesome. Do you want to install the application? Okay. I'm not sure if this application is installing because it's compatible with version 4.4.4, or is it after the update? Or let's actually do a setting. Let me go to where can I go to files? Okay, ES File Explorer, and I should go to downloads, or let's say. So these are the apps that are already installed. And let me go to, I should go to local, no, device. Where are the downloaded apps? Okay, I downloaded a couple of minutes ago. Download manager, okay, since I did not use this one. Okay, let's go with that download, okay. So documents, no, it's not here. I go to local, download. Okay, yeah, these are the apps that I installed. I downloaded. So we have Google Chrome Fast. Okay, let's install this one. Okay, so there's definitely a problem with this package. But this one, since it's made for version 4.4.4, it's allowing me to install, yes. So yes, we can install custom applications. All right, this is amazing. This is good news. So yeah, all right. Perfect. So yeah, that's good.